If you want to add and edit a black screen video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to create a black screen in your project, whether you want a clean transition, a pause between clips, or a simple background for text or overlays. This is a super useful trick for editing, and once you know how to do it, you can use it in lots of different videos. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's jump into it. First, open CapCut and go into the project you want to edit. Once your timeline is open, look for the Media option at the bottom. Tap Media, and then go over to the Library tab. This is where CapCut stores different built-in media assets you can use in your edit. In the search bar, type black. CapCut should now show you a black solid background clip or image that you can add to your timeline. When you see the solid black background, select it, and then tap the plus icon to add it into your project. CapCut will place it on your timeline just like any other clip. From here, you can drag it to the beginning, middle, or end of your video depending on where you need the black screen to appear. You can also trim it to make it shorter or longer, which is helpful if you only want a quick blackout or a longer pause. Now let's talk about editing that black screen. If you tap the black clip on your timeline, you can adjust its duration by dragging either edge left or right. If you want the black screen to act like a transition between 2 clips, make sure it sits exactly where you want that pause to happen. You can also use it underneath text, captions, or other elements if you want a clean background with no distractions. There's another really simple way to create a black screen in CapCut, and this is useful if you don't necessarily want to add a stock background. If you just need a brief pause between 2 clips, you can create an empty gap in the timeline. To do that, first find the main track magnet icon above your timeline. This magnet tool usually keeps clips snapped together automatically. If you turn it off, you'll be able to move clips apart more freely. After disabling the main track magnet, drag one clip away from the next one to create space in between them. That empty gap will automatically show up as a black screen during playback. This is a great option if you want a natural pause without adding extra media. It's also helpful when you want to time an effect, sound or text separately from your main footage. If the black screen doesn't look the way you want, you can always go back and adjust the spacing or the length of the black clip. For example, if the pause feels too short, make the gap longer. If it feels too long, shorten it. The same idea applies if you use the black background from the Library tab. Just trim it until it fits your edit perfectly. One quick tip is to preview your video after making the change. Play it back from the section you edited and make sure the black screen appears smoothly and at the right moment. This is especially important if you're using it between fast cuts, intros, outros, or text overlays. A well-placed black screen can make your video feel much more polished and professional. And that's how to add and edit a black screen video in CapCut using both the stock library and the timeline gap method. These are 2 easy techniques, and once you practice them a couple of times, you'll be able to use them in almost any project. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.